Hey guys, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to another episode of the salad series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cucumber salad. The ingredients are, I have here some onions, sesame seeds, flax seeds. I have 3 cucumbers. You can put as much as you want. I have around 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I also have some salt. You're also going to be needing specifically a whisk to whisk all of your spices and wet ingredients. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to be adding my wet ingredients. And that's my olive oil. Now I'm going to be adding my salt, just a small pinch. Time to whisk. Make sure you whisk nicely. I'm whisking because we want the oil to become nice and creamy. As you can see, the mixture is starting to bubble. Now that I'm done whisking, our mixture is nice and creamy, as you can see, and now it's time to add my onions. I'm going to mix it with my spoon, and we're going to leave it like this for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, so now I'm going to be adding a little bit of sesame seeds, and a little bit of my flax seeds. And this is going to give a really nice flavor. Now we're going to mix. I'm done mixing in my flax seeds and my sesame seeds. And as you can see, there are a ton of different colors in there. And now I'm going to be adding my cucumbers. Now we mix. Done mixing, and the last step is to serve this in a nice dish. So let's go. I have with me a red dish because red and green make a really nice contrast. And at the bottom, I've added a sprinkle of flax seeds and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. So now we can add in our cucumber salad. I'm going to even it out with my spoon. Then I'm going to be garnishing it with some sesame seeds and flax seeds. I'm going to be putting a spoon inside so we can plate it with. And now I'm done my salad. If you guys enjoyed this video, can you please like, subscribe, ring that bell, and share this video, as well as follow my Instagram at Sarah the Little Baker. Bye! See you next time!